So this is why I ask, if there is any other God except Allah, then why he or she was not able to stop Allah? If there is any other God except Allah, why all of them could not stop Allah from doing it? How Allah could do it? If Allah is an imaginary God, if Allah is just a name written in an ancient book in the 7th century, then how in the 21st century it was possible that someone whose name is Allah brought his clouds in Arabic, write the name Lillah or Allah, and then he transformed the weathers in all over the world, in several cities and several countries, wherever he wills, but especially in the Lahore city of Pakistan. How is it possible? Is there any human, is there any non-Muslim whose common sense is working? Is there any Muslim whose common sense is working? How is it possible? Is it possible? It is possible, and it surely happened. It is now a historical event of the history. It is a recorded historical event with proofs in the history of human beings that it happened, that Allah increased the heat wave in all over the world through the sun, and it has been recorded and witnessed by the scientists, and Allah transformed the weather system of Lahore city, and it has been also recorded and witnessed in news channels of Lahore, city of Pakistan.